Step 1, a loose lip blowing technique. Now we transfer this loose lip blowing technique by imitating a number of different Australian animal and bird sounds. I'll start off with the mopoke owl. Now I'm going to make the sound of the bush pigeon. And now I'm going to make the sound of Australia's native dog, the dingo. The kookaburra sounds something like this. The feral donkey sounds like this. The brolga, a beautiful dancing bird from the north of Australia, sounds something like this. What I have found useful in imitating the different animal and bird sounds through didgeridoo is to close my eyes and imagine that I am the pigeon. Also, I find it important to watch yourself in front of the mirror, because then you can see what you're doing with your cheeks.